Welcome to this review of popular product management tools and software. In this video, we'll be discussing 4 widely used tools: Jira, Trello, Asana, and Product Board. We'll explore how these tools can help you effectively manage product development and collaborate with your team members. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of which tool might be the best fit for your product management needs. Tool 1, Jira. Jira is a powerful project management tool commonly used in software development. It offers robust features for issue tracking, task management, and project planning. With Jira, you can create user stories, track bugs, assign tasks to team members, and manage sprints using agile methodologies. It provides extensive customization options, advanced reporting, and seamless integration with other development tools. Jira is ideal for teams that require a comprehensive project management solution with advanced capabilities. Tool 2, Trello. Trello is a popular and user-friendly project management tool that uses a visual Kanban board approach. It allows you to create boards, lists, and cards to represent tasks and track their progress. You can easily drag and drop cards across lists to update their status. Trello is great for visualizing workflows, managing tasks, and collaborating with team members in real time. It offers integrations with various tools and has mobile apps for on-the-go access. Trello is suitable for teams looking for a simple and intuitive project management tool. Tool 3, Asana. Asana is a versatile project management tool that offers a wide range of features for task management, project planning, and team collaboration. It provides a customizable interface where you can create projects, assign tasks, set due dates, and track progress. Asana offers various views such as lists, boards, and timelines to visualize your projects. It also integrates with popular communication and file sharing tools. Asana is well suited for teams that value flexibility, collaboration, and a comprehensive project management solution. Tool 4, Product Board. Product Board is a dedicated product management platform designed to help teams capture, prioritize, and manage product ideas and features. It provides features for collecting user feedback, conducting market research, defining product roadmaps, and tracking feature development. With Product Board, you can centralize product-related information, collaborate with stakeholders, and make informed decisions based on data and customer insights. Product Board is an excellent choice for product-focused teams aiming to streamline their product management processes. Jira, Trello, Asana, and Product Board are all powerful tools that can support product management and collaboration within teams. Jira excels in advanced project management and issue tracking, while Trello offers a visual and easy-to-use Kanban board experience. Asana provides a versatile project management solution, and Product Board focuses specifically on product management needs. Consider the unique requirements of your team and product when choosing the right tool. Thanks for watching, and we hope this review has helped you in selecting the appropriate product management tool for your needs.